Hey guys, this is Bring Back the Farm. I wanted to show you this little plant. This is called a garlic, but this is, I've let these flower and they have gone to seed. And now you can see all those seeds. I'm starting to collect the seeds because they're starting to fall off. If you look at, here's a little bag of the seeds that I've collected. But these will take 2 years to grow into garlic bulbs. So, you know how you take the garlic bulbs from your plant like this, and you split them up and you plant those bulbs in the ground. It becomes a head of garlic. But and then you'll get a head of garlic within 1 year. But if you take these seeds, you'll get a head of garlic within 2 years. So I'm collecting the seeds right now. That's what I'm doing. In fact, I just pulled one of these out. You'll be able to see the difference between the size of the garlic head. If I pull this out, you'll be able to see how much smaller this is. In fact, let me down here see if I can just tug it out. There it is. See? Look how small that is. It's super tiny. If I come over here, so I have some more. Then I have garlic that I just kind of let go here. In fact, let me just dig this one up real fast and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's go with this one. You know they're ready because the leaves are browning. And so so I have a bunch of this garlic. I did a test this year to see what the difference would be in size if I let one bulb and one not go to seed. There's the difference right there. I don't know if you can see that all the way, but look at that. Okay, so there's one garlic bulb. Okay, the one that I cut the flower off. And then here is the one that I kept the flower on. It is so much smaller in comparison. Like this isn't even a quarter of it, of this bigger one. So if you want more garlic, you need to cut off the scapes. Those are the flowering part of the garlic. And then, but if you want garlic seed, you want to keep the flower on there, and then you'll get seed that looks like that. And they'll just fall off into your hand as you do it. I've already taken some of this falling off. You can see those little garlic seeds there. And then you can plant them just like normal garlic, and they'll grow. So, anyways, this is Brim at the Farm. Short little tip about garlic and how it grows, and what happens if you leave the flower on versus what happens if you take it off. So, thanks for watching. This is Brim at the Farm, and I'll see you on the next video.